and I can crack.
And I'm K, and I'm the king of kicking.
Anyone can do that. Can I?
Kick it? Yes, you
Can. Cool. Crumbs. Sorry. Let's have a competition.
You mean a football match? Okay.
Come on, then.
Good day. I'm going to grow some grass. Good.
Oh! Caught! Okay! Alphablocks!
I am C.
Cat!
Look at that. It is a cat, a cat, a cat, a cat. The cat sat on the mat.
Alphablocks!
And again, from the top. A.
B.
A bee? Where? I can't see a bee.
Not a B. A B.
Oh, I see.
Once again. A.
B.
C.
D. Of course I can see D. He's there.
No, C and D. That's us, see?
E.
And again. A.
B.
C.
D. E. Alphablocks!
Along came C and A and T.
Cat.
The wheat grew tall, now N couldn't see.
I'm little red N, I want to eat. Who can help me cut this wheat?
Not I, said the dog, not I, said the cat.
Nobody, no one fancy that. Along came you.
Oh, hi, that's me.
Cut.
We've cut the wheat, as you can see.
Alphablocks!
Is something wrong? Can't understand why I'm even a letter. I make the same sound as my brother. Lap. Can you place your hands upon your lap? Raise them in the air and clap. You can make a noise. It's one of life's great joys to make a difference. You don't have to be a winner or a superstar. You can change the world just by being who you are. Clap. Slap. Flap. Clap your hands, slap your thigh, flap your wings and pretend to fly. Come on, Kay. Skip. Slip. Flip. Skip downhill, slip and slide, flip right over, it's a fairground ride. Clap, slap, flap. Skip, slip, flip.
Change it.
Clap.
Rearrange it.
Slap.
Add one and take one away.
Flap, flap.
New faces.
Skip.
Swap places.
Slip.
Every single one of us has a part to play.
Flip!
No matter what they say.
Alphablocks! Cat!
Cute cat.
Yeah, Tiddles.
Amazing.
Yeah, Tiddles.
Adorable. She's so affectionate. Achoo! Crumbs.
Total tomfoolery.
The cat is making me sneeze. I'm allergic to cats. Achoo!
Oh!
Help me get away from the cat.
What's all that din? Can I join in? Cod.
I have to get away from the cat. Achoo!
Alphablocks!
Crumbs!
Disaster. Terrible.
We'll help you find Ice Dot.
Cod.
I am a fish tank. No, I'm not. I want my dot.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
Cod.
Kiki goo goo gaga. I don't belong in a cot. I want my dot.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
Pot.
I'm a little flower pot. No, I'm not. I want my dot.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
Cod.
I arrest you for popping my dot. No, I don't. I want my dot.
Uh-oh!
Alphablocks!
Goodness, what's that noise? That's a funny frog. A lovely toad, not a frog. Cracking croak. Good grief.
Toad has a terrible tongue.
Stop eating everything, Toad!
Time for you-know-what.
Come on, T.
Oh!
Cod.
Marvellous! Look at me! More magic! Quick!
Let me try.
Oh! Cool!
them. Don't eat coal.
My, oh my!
Go! Go! Oh! Go!
Tally-ho!
Go! Oh! Goat! Good grief!
My turn.
Oh!
Moat. My, oh my!
Look at this! Oh! Oh! Loaf! Super! That smells scrumptious.
Total tomfoolery.
Alphablocks!
Say, we have a super special something for you now. The Alphablocks Animal Sing-Song! And start! Sorry, everyone. Silly me, I didn't say what to sing. Simple. Hold hands and sing what you see. So, start. Cat. Meow.
Dog.
Hey, look at that, a dog and a cat. The dog chased the cat all around. The little cat laughed to see such fun, and the dog fell asleep on the ground. Hey!
Stop! Stop! Silly cat! Silly dog! Start again. So, start.
Cod.
Tag.
Hey! Isn't that odd? The cat ate the cod. The doggy's tail started to wag. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and they both played a nice game of tag. Hey!
Stop! We'll soon... Someone sort this dish out. I know what to do. Jump to it, Jay. Jog. I'll fix it then. Jig. Meow,
Hey! Listen to that, a tune by a cat. Someone tripped over a fish. The little cat laughed to see such fun, and the dog chased after a dish. Hey!
Stop! Sorry. Someone sweep the stage.
Mop.
Start again.
My, oh my!
No!
sort this out?
I just popped in.
Oh!
Spoon.
A spoon?
Alphablocks, quick, march!
Oh!
Zoom!
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey!
Jumping jelly blocks! Sensational!
Alphablocks!
Is that your card?
No, that's a harp.
R. Carp. Is this your card?
No, that carp is a fish.
We knew that. R. Duck. Is this your card?
I can't see. It's too dark.
R. Card. Aha! Then this must be your card.
No,
Pardon?
no,
Are you sure?
nod.
R. R. Card. Is this your card?
No,
R. Card. This one?
no.
This is a truly terrible trick. Time for our next act.
Alphablocks! Our two teams are about ready to go. First up, cheer and chant for the reigning champions, CH! And going up against them, SH! Alphablocks, are you ready? And round one! It's a big event tonight, T. Have SH got the brains to beat the champs?
It's too early to tell, Bee. Let's see how this first round turns out.
Oh! Shop! Fish bash bosh!
Terrific technique. Will CH be able to top that?
Charge! Oh! Chop!
Tremendous! The first round goes to CH. Time now for round two. The trick with this event is not to look down.
Chip! Breathtaking! CH bounced off the board and landed brilliantly! Ship!
What a turnaround! SH, come out on top!
The ship was bigger! It was better! It blew the chip out of the water!
Time for our final event, the three-legged relay race.
Alphablocks, ready, set, go! Bang! SH blast off the line!
Shin.
Chin.
And yes, it's a tie. Shed.
Big mistake! Has this lost it for CH?
Shed.
With nothing to beat, the shed wins it for SH!
A tremendous victory!
Amazing! As the winners, you now get to choose your prize.
Show us what you've got, Em.
Mash. Mashed potatoes.
What a dish! But we don't want any mash.
More for me.
Show us what you've got, see? Cash. A lovely case with some paper in it. That's a shame. We don't need any paper. Show us what you've got, S. Sash. Gosh.
A winner's sash for the winning team!